I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything up and opening Steam VR on your PC. Make sure the headset is connected via USB/DisplayPort and the link box is powered. Once Steam VR is active, go to Devices and choose Pair Controller. This tells Steam VR to look for new hardware. Next, hold the controller's system buttons. This wakes them. You do this now to put controllers into pairing mode, so Steam VR can find and register each unit immediately. You need to put each controller into explicit pairing mode, so Steam VR can assign them correctly. Hold the system button +O on the right or B on the left for about 5 seconds until LEDs flash. This signals the controller to broadcast. Then, watch Steam VR's Devices panel. Once it shows found, confirm pair for that specific controller. Make sure to complete one controller's pairing before starting the other. This prevents them from swapping roles and saves you time troubleshooting. Finish by checking each controller is listed as ready, and that tracking responds when you move it. Test grip, trigger, and joystick inputs in Steam VR's controller status. If something fails, first reboot Steam VR and retry pairing. Many issues clear that way. If problems persist, swap batteries or charge controllers, then use Steam VR's remove and pair sequence to reset bindings. As a final tip, make sure Bluetooth on your PC isn't interfering. Disable other Bluetooth devices while pairing to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.